Grakshalo Hasni Secretariat Disaster Management Authority Tirang Thong Tang Betini Lua Jong by Disaster Reduction De Panda Sonjaka Ashala Phai Manjaka Narwai Okrangi Hasni Montri Okra Biplov Kumar Dev All Montri and Chideval Monokobai Kubunira Ashala Hasni Juda Hankoni Adong Montri Robai Video Conference Ni Bishing de Kok Shalaka Montri Okra De Panda Kong Notani Boshaka Hasni de Nogrogo Ban Country Nobar Wati Kotor Bangla of Fake Tamtamo Kayani Nang Aburu Nobo Syllabus Darani Nahar Munoti Shamoklai Tongo Hinishaka Abuni Logi Horbotani Bedeni Monslay Fire and Emergency Service Klaizaka Hinishaka
Disaster reduction observance, particularly for figuring out the phase of the day. In this occasion, Honorable Chief Minister and also Chairperson, Tripura Disaster Management Authority, Biplov Kumar Dev ji, Mr. Komal Kishore ji, Honorable Member, National Disaster Management Authority, and Director General Police Tripura, Revenue Secretary, all other dignitaries, and friends, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, this is the occasion. It is being celebrated yearly in the global community, and Tripura, we are also having this program every year. By now it is 12 years I think that we are celebrating this program. So by reading out the list, not only that, but we are translating the list into reality, the ground reality. This is the main objective. So far, Tripura state is concerned, yes, it is really in a vulnerable situation in terms of the seismic zone, like Zone 5, etc., or up to entire northeast zone. Not only that, there are the stormy cyclone and this and that and flood. Of course, by the grace of God, this year in this monsoon season, we have no such very havoc flood or rainfall in Tripura. But there were the thunder showers and the cyclones occurred in different localities, particularly in some of the selective districts, including Sibaijala and South district, etc., etc. And it is the fact that whatever the disaster occurring, like cyclonic this and that, the entire our organizational network they are taking care of instantly to combat the situation. In each every occasion this year we have observed and we have also visited ourselves, and we've seen that whenever any disaster takes place, like the cyclone, the general administration and all the stakeholders are rushed immediately to the spot and taking all sorts of measures for rescuing the affected person and also to offer them shelter and food, etc., etc. Not only that, whatever the internal relief is possible as per SDRM norm, we are immediately providing to the affected population. And also, as per the SDRM norms, we are also providing compensation in terms of the house, perhaps totally 95,000 per person. And also, unfortunately, if there are any death occurred, the 4 lakhs rupees we are providing. And not only that, whatever any follow-up action to be taken, it is to be taken care of. It is the proof, and beyond doubt that whatever the response required by the state government, it is being taken care of very promptly and very efficiently and very meticulously. Only thing is that whatever our infrastructure on all the level, either in the rural areas or in the urban areas, it is infrastructures are all around okay. And to add it, we have the most sophisticated weapon instruments also like detector. Whenever in any debris, some sort of doubt that there is a living soul behind the debris, then with the light detector, it can be easily detected. Now, we have that sophisticated machine with us. So, now the scenario, particularly about the earthquake, etc., because we are mentioning once and again, there are this seismic zone was high, so we are in a very endangering situation. Also, there are the intermittent tremors. Intermittent tremor is still going on. Very recently, there are the intermittent tremors in Mizoram and Manipur, Assam, etc. So it is intermittent tremor also cautioning us. Caution, we must be very much cautious. I am appealing to all section of population, cross section of population, so that we are standing together very firmly, so that in any case of any eventuality, we must confront that type of eventuality, and maximum most efforts will be taken up, so that there will be no such major havoc, or we can reduce the disaster. So with these few words, I conclude my humble submission. Thank you.